Hey YouTube, it's midnight and we're taking our dogs out. Yeah, before we leave, we about to go hit the road. And my stepdad's here and he delivers things. I know it's kind of dark. I know that makes it better, but yeah, we're taking our dogs out pretty much. And that's my dog. She's pregnant. She's really wild and hungry right now, but don't stun it. She's alright though. And that's our house, pretty much. Can't even see it. Oh, I thought that was her. Well, we're just having some midnight fun, walking her around. Yeah, my iPhone 4. Yeah, pretty much boring. She barely does anything, and I'm waiting for my sister to come out here. It's really dark, so we get that. Come on, Sashi. She's pregnant, and I'm keeping her on her face. If I have a boy, I might name it. I don't know what I'm gonna name it. If I have a girl, I have lots of names in mind. There go my sister. She taking out our dog, Pepper. Hey, what? Come on.
Daddy, ready?
Wait, no. Okay, ready. Go. I whip my hair back. Let's go. We leave it, Momo, with Pepper. Sasha, she's crazy dog. I can't see you. You too far away. Come on.
Make sure you hurry up and upload that on YouTube.
Well, that's it. Our basketball hoop, truck, grass, where this dog used to go, but we walk her now. Come on. That's all. Deuces.